Hi, I'm Jake with Hardwood Reflections. What we're doing here today, we're going to compare an Ikea butcher block with a Home Depot butcher block. So these things cost the same. I tell you what, on the surface, they both look really, really good. This Ikea one has a little pre-finish on it. The Birch Hardwood Reflections is unfinished. So what we're going to do today, we're going to just give you a very clear comparison. So we're going to do a cut across, then we're going to also do a 45-degree cut on both of these, and then we're going to do some edging on both of these, and hopefully after this video it'll be really clear which countertop you'd like in your kitchen. All right, so the first thing we're going to cut is an Ikea butcher block. It's important to cut it from the B face, so the side you're not going to want on your countertop. So this is the B face of it. You know, the first thing you're going to notice is the Hardwood Reflections is solid wood. This is some sort of paper on this side, so we're going to cut through this paper and show you what it looks like. So one of the big differences you're going to see is with an Ikea block, what they've done here, they've put just a bunch of kind of wood here and compressed it, and it looks like about, I'd say about 1/8 to 1/4 inch of actual butcher block. So what we're going to try to do, we're going to try to line this 1/8 inch of butcher block up with this, and this is going to slide on just, well, it's about like this. So this is how your end's gonna look on an Ikea. It doesn't line up exactly, but it does close enough. All right, we have our Hardwood Reflections board now. We're gonna make the same cut. So what we like to do, the A face doesn't have any knots in it. The B face is gonna have some knots. So we want the A face for this countertop application. So we're gonna cut from the B side. And once again, a big difference is this is solid wood. This is real wood on this side. This is real wood on this side. So let's cut it down. All right, so we just got done with our first cut, and you know what? These are solid wood staves all the way through. What may happen is you might just want to use a little sandpaper to knock this down if it's going to go on the edge of your countertop. A great aspect that I really like is you do not have to get a sticker out and sticker over some particle board, as this is solid wood. All right, what we're doing next is we've got the Ikea block. We're going to do a 45-degree cut on this and show you how it looks. All right, so Big Nate just made this cut for us, and the one thing that's kind of challenging is Ikea only gives you a couple of these fake looking wood stickers in a box. So what we're going to do here, we're just going to kind of make the best of it. We're going to still line up these staves and stick this on here, and then for this just remaining like 10 inches, what I would do, it's going to be exposed wood right there, so maybe some mineral oil or some conditioner. All right, up next we've got the Hardwood Reflections Birch Butcher Block. We're going to make the same cut here that we just did on the Ikea, and should just take a moment. All right, so we just made our cut with our Hardwood Reflections Butcher Block. As you can see, solid wood all the way through. No need to make any sort of adjustments, or no need to put a sticker on it. So what you got here, got an angle. On occasion, what may happen on this, since it's solid wood, is you might find these little burn marks in here. Just take a little sandpaper with your hand, and this will be gone in about 30 seconds. All right, the next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna router these edges. We've got a Hardwood Reflections solid butcher block right here, and watch how this routers, and then we're gonna router the Ikea next. All right, so we've got a routering done on this Hardwood Reflections piece. We even went around this corner right here, and if you take a look, this actually looks really, really good. It's really sharp, and on to the next one. All right, up next, we've got our Ikea block here. We're gonna go ahead and router the same pattern we just did on the Hardwood Reflections and see how it does. All right, so we just routed our Ikea butcher block. The problem here is it's got such a thin layer of butcher block under here before it gets to this. It's got to be some sort of like a fake wood, like an MDF or an HDF, something like that. So routering doesn't work as good on an Ikea board as it does a Hardwood Reflections board. You can kind of see it for yourself. It kind of rubs all the way down to underneath the this board. All right, so we've got our routed edge for our Hardwood Reflections block, routed edge for our Ikea block. So hopefully you can easily tell the difference. So you've seen the difference in quality between an Ikea butcher block and a Hardwood Reflections block. It's not subtle, it's significant. And I tell you what, if you're just gonna fold laundry on one of these for the next 10 years, go either way. But if you want something you can customize, you can cut, that's gonna last a long time, and you want to pay the same price, the quality is without question a Hardwood Reflections over an Ikea. Thank you.